Go.
Hello and welcome to the Rogers High Fidelity and Burwell and Sons speakers room here at the California Audio Show. So what we're going to do is just do a quick review of what we're showing on this system. And my name is Rob Plyer. I'm from Rogers High Fidelity. And over here we have
Gordon Burwell with Burwell and Sons loudspeakers.
And what we'd like to do is just give you a review of this main system that we've set up here at the show. And I'll start off with my product, which is Rogers High Fidelity amplifier. And here we have our EHF 100 amplifier. And the idea behind Rogers High Fidelity is that all of our amplifiers are point-to-point wiring, all of our amplifiers are using Teflon wiring, all of our amplifiers use mil-spec components. We burn in each one of our units for over 100 hours and give a performance report delivered with each unit. We are very meticulous about everything we use on this, from the best components to fewer tech connectors on the back, for the fact that all of our products are warranted for life. This particular product, the EHF 100, has 100 watts peak per channel and 65 watts RMS. And something else that's quite unique about our products is they're all auto bias. So they're basically no adjustment, you play and enjoy them. And we're also showing behind this EHF 100 my PA1A phono stage. So this is a 6-tube all analog phono stage. Same construction techniques, all point-to-point, all mil-spec. But what you'll see that's quite unique on this is we have the loading for the cartridge, both MMMC right on the front, a mute switch, which is very handy when you're changing an album, and curiously enough, meters that show the voltage coming off the cartridge. So in case that you were playing a tone test record, they should be in alignment if your cartridge is in alignment. This particular product is 7,300. The EHF 100 is 8,000. We're also showing above this a Oppo 205, which is a new DAC/CD Blu-ray player. And here we're also playing the VPI Classic 4 with an Ortofon black cartridge, all put together with transparent cables. And I'll let Gordon talk about his product.
Thank you, Rob. That was very good. Burwell and Sons loudspeakers. This is our flagship speaker, is the Homage series. This particular set we refer to as the Plain James. That's a bit of a tongue-in-cheek. We think they're very lovely, but rather understated. And these particular horns are handcrafted out of English walnut. If you look close, you can see that each horn is put together with multiple smaller pieces of wood to find some of the prettiest grains that we can expose. These cabinets are a front horn-loaded design, a miniaturized version of the iconic Mytek Lansing A7 Voice of the Theater, one of the most prolific loudspeakers ever built. And we actually feature real live vintage components in these speakers. The drivers in this case are 802 compression horn drivers, and the woofers are 803 woofers. We convert everything to 8 ohms. Some of the stuff we get in is originally 16 ohms, and some of the stickers you'll see will say 16 ohms. We convert everything to 8, and we build our own crossovers. We've changed some of the crossover points, but we keep some of those tricks to ourselves. This particular set, we've incorporated a JBL 075 ring radiator to make these a 3-way. We think it's very nice for us older folks that don't hear some of the highs very well. We've also incorporated our single jack subwoofer package that we've added to it. We think it fills out the bottom end very nicely. So that's it.